We're here at 14 St. Thomas Court in Greer, South Carolina, and I'm so excited to show you this beautiful home. You are going to be amazed and surprised at what it has to offer. Let this home surprise you. Full brick home with full finished walkout basement. Looking at the front of the home, you would never guess this home offers so much room. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on the main level, and a bed and a bath, plus a den and a huge bonus room in the walkout basement. Upstairs offers a split bedroom floor plan with an eat-in kitchen that overlooks the backyard. The master suite features multiple closets, garden tub, and a separate shower. The finished basement is one of my favorite features about this home. This owner has added 4 huge closets for storage. Then let me show you one of my favorite features. Under the stairs, you have storage, a 13 by 12 unfinished storage room, plus 29 by 15 den or media room, whichever one you want to use it for. You've got a large patio that leads you to the raised gardening beds and lots of room in the outdoor workshop. Your family will love all of the space this home gives them, from the downstairs basement patio to the upstairs deck. You have plenty of room to spread out. If you would like to learn more about this full brick Greer home, be sure to click on the link below to see more photos.